welcome back to another vlog. Right now I just finished getting all ready. I did my makeup and my hair. We are about to go to the Japanese gardens in Portland. Keenan hasn't been there. He's still finding new places in the city, so
hello, Roger. How
we're playing
good to see everyone. Hope you guys are good. About to go to Japanese gardens. Next question. Cheers.
We just parked to go into the Japanese gardens, and it is a beautiful day today, which is like such a blessing because it's usually pouring down rain in Oregon. So it's the perfect day to go look at this. The cherry blossoms are in bloom, so it should be absolutely beautiful.
I'm in my own world, just drinking this drink.
We went to Dutch first because we both woke up like super exhausted today, or at least I did. We're a little out of it. Oh, we're a little out of it today. Okay, let's get out of the car and let's go. We're excited, we're ready, and my lashes look good too. Today is a good day. If it's a good lash day, it's a good day.
Oh God.
They were sold out of tickets. We just we're meant to do something else in this moment. There is a different adventure we're meant to go on, but we just need to figure out what it is. So we're gonna do a little research because we're already downtown, so it's like we might as well stay in the area then and do something cool. Okay, we have figured it out. So there's this place here in Portland called OMSI, and it's like a science museum, but it's like interactive. And I kind of always wanted to go back as like an adult and see if it's as fascinating as it is as a kid, or if it's one of those things where you're like a kid and it blows your mind because you're a kid, you know? But there's like a submarine you can go in, so I feel like, and it's like in the water, so I feel like...
There's a submarine?
Yes! So I feel like it'll be really cool.
Okay, so we are doing that. No big deal.
Back after dog sitting for 8 days. Now we're just home chilling. I'm pretty tired from today. A super fun day. Like, I had a 12 out of 10 experience today, but I am definitely ready to go to sleep. I think we're gonna get up semi-early tomorrow because tomorrow is Easter. I think we want to do like an Easter brunch or something. So I feel like the fact that we made the most out of today, and like even though we weren't able to make it into the Japanese garden, still went and did something like super cool and super fun, like going and touring the submarine. Like, it really was such a fun experience, and so I'm happy that like we just kind of kept the vibes up and we were like, okay. And I feel like that was where we were supposed to see that today. And then after, when we came home, we watched like a submarine movie. It was very fitting because it was a submarine movie after touring a submarine. It was like the perfect vibe. I kind of want to do like the quick version of my skincare routine because I am so tired. And I just want to get in bed. But I know I'm going to be like so happy in the morning whenever I do my skincare routine. I'm like so proud of myself. If I'm exhausted the night before, I've gone out or something, and I still do my skincare routine in the morning, I'm like, good job, Alyssa. I'm so proud of you. Because nothing is worse than like waking up with like dry, crummy, old makeup that's like slept in. Like, that feeling alone has been why I will like literally arise. I could be at whatever level after a night out, but I will arise to take my makeup off, and I will wake my friends up and make them take their makeup off, or I'll take their makeup off for them, because one thing we're not gonna do is sleep in our makeup. I feel like I should just retire this thing because it is empty. I'm like scraping Nothing. Because I just finished a serum and tossed it out, I'm actually gonna replace it in my skincare routine. This is kind of how I'm able to go through and review skincare. Anytime I finish an entire bottle, I will go into my little collection, pick out something new that I haven't tried before, and then that way I get around to using fully everything that I'm sent. So today we're gonna use the L'Occitane Immortal Reset Overnight Reset Oil and Serum. It's supposed to soothe, revitalize skin, smooth fine lines, and promote youthful glow. My gosh, is this bottle beautiful. I'm actually really, really excited to try this. This is quality. I can just like tell by the smell of it, the way it applied to my skin, like the look it left my skin with that glow. Are you kidding? I'm also obsessed with this hangover pillow talk balm. Good night, sleep tight. I'll see you guys in the morning. Happy Easter! We are getting ready right now to go get some brunch, and I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Do you mind holding the camera for me? Sure. So we have the dress. It's from Vicky Collection, and the shoes, and it's literally the perfect Easter dress. I feel like it's so cute, and I'm so excited to go to brunch. Excited for bacon. I want some bacon. Give me some bacon. We are on our way to brunch now. We just took some pictures outside in front of like the blossom trees, and they're so cute. I'm really happy that we went and took them. Good morning, beauties. I am currently downtown. I didn't vlog yesterday because honestly it was such a beautiful day out. I feel like I just kind of spent the whole day doing like some house stuff, like just cleaning up, organizing, unpacking. It really wasn't like a fun day to vlog, and I honestly just kind of felt like I needed the day because I wanted to make sure that I'm like recharged, you know? It's a very productive day. It's Tuesday, which is Tutorial Tuesday. And guess who didn't film a tutorial for today? This blonde bitch right here. I'm excited to film today. The vibes are amazing. The weather is beautiful. I just finished filming a no mascara makeup tutorial for Tutorial Tuesday on YouTube. So I'm about to import it, edit it, and get it up. I'm really happy with how the makeup look turned out. I was gonna do like a full glam tutorial, but like honestly, I just really didn't want to put makeup on my face in general today. And I was like, actually, the no mascara makeup look is perfect for today because that's kind of the vibe that I wanted. Like, I wanted to be a little bit more zhuzhed up, but I didn't want to do a full beat. I don't know what it is. The last few days, I've just been so tired. So I'm just trying to like stay calm, do things that I feel like my body can handle right now. I think I'm still just really in recovery mode. I'm just trying to listen to my body and not overwork myself because I do have a big month coming up, and I just want to make sure that I, you know, don't get burnt out in the middle of the month when I'm trying to do all these other things. I'd rather take care of myself now so that I can be better for later on. So that's what we're doing. Yesterday, I actually went through my calendar and updated it and just like kind of got organized so I know what I have to do this month. And I do have a few work things that I have to do today right now that I'm gonna lock down and do them, get a lot of things off of my to-do list because I need to just get them done. The more I check off, the better I feel, honestly. I just finished editing and have now uploaded the no makeup look to my YouTube channel. I will link it up here for you guys to check out. I don't know what is going on right now. I just feel anxious today. I don't know why. So I think I'm actually gonna read. Right now I'm reading The Mastery of Love. I can just learn more about love. I'm curious about it all. I'm a big self-help book reader. I just feel like that'll help kind of calm me down and like straighten my mind. Good morning, beauties. I don't know what day of the week it is this week. I don't know, I've just been so thrown off on what day of the week it is, like the whole week. I'm like, wait. But I think I finally got it. Today is Wednesday. It is pouring down rain right now. The weather is horrible. But we did have amazing weather for Easter and amazing weather like over the weekend. Right now, I'm actually on my way to go pick up Blue Star donuts for the office. They asked me to bring a bunch of Blue Star donuts in for everyone, so I'm just gonna run and do that really quick. I really like my outfit today. I'm wearing like a little Ralph Lauren button up and then jeans, and I have it like tucked in a cute way. Yesterday I got drinks with, I did a little happy hour with my friend Dylan. You guys know Dylan, he's been on the vlogs a million times. It's always a good time whenever we get to do like a little happy hour together. Hey guys, the makeup is on. I'm actually obsessed with this routine. I am now gonna do it every single time I do my makeup. Next Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday, this makeup look will be up. I filmed a whole tutorial for it and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm with the boy.
Sorry guys, I have to fix my hair for this. Like, I don't know the camera's gonna be on me so soon. I'm just trying to figure it out over here, but too late. So how are we doing? Good. Good to see you guys again. We're about to get food. I'm about to get food. Go get a little chow down, and then we got, what are we gonna do tonight? We have so much planned, but we got some cool stuff planned.
Yeah. I'm feeling the gym today. I might need a little Red Bull to get me going through a workout. You guys, this makeup, I can't get over it.
This makeup right here, cute. So cute. Guys, check the tutorial. It's gonna be up today.
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday. Tutorial
on
Tuesdays.
Tuesdays.
Tutorial Tuesdays, everyone knows.
Oh, I dropped off the donuts this morning at the office. I'll put a picture here because they looked and tasted so good.
Here's the photo.
Here's the photo. Everybody got to have a little donut. So
I got two.
You had two?
Yeah.
They're good though. You guys, I can't stop looking at my makeup. I'm not looking at myself, I'm looking at my makeup.
Guys, you're doing yourself.
I'm not. I'm looking at the makeup. I'm like, I need to do my makeup like this every time.
Guys, just looking at herself.
I just stopped at my P.O. box and there was a very, very heavy package in there, and when I shook it a little, it sounded like liquid. So I want to see what's inside of it. But I don't have just one package, I have two. One of them is from LUXX, which is crazy. So I'm opening up the LUXX one right now. A sweet treat just for you. So they sent their Co-Mingle body scrub. A gentle scent of lavender. Wait, I want to smell. Ooh, that smells so nice. I love lavender too. Okay, and then we have this. And then we also have this. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Lush. I'm so excited to try these. And I love a good body scrub, especially as like a self-tan girly. I love a good body scrub. Oh my God. It's from Poppy. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, they sent, so Poppy's a prebiotic soda if you don't know that, but they sent their watermelon, cherry limeade, ginger lime, strawberry lemon, orange, and raspberry rose. A whole thing. Oh my God, thank you so much, Poppy. This is so crazy. Thank you so much, Poppy, and thank you so much, Lush. This is crazy. I cannot wait to just crack these open and have a little nighttime, little like mocktail vibe. Like, this is amazing. A few hours later, and we're about to go do some yoga.
I got you guys so good. You guys thought I was sleeping. Guys, come on. Someone's got to do something about the hair. You guys got to tell me before I get on camera. But we have got yoga at 7 o'clock. The time is currently 6:40. We have 20 minutes. And then in that 20 minutes, we're probably just going to hang out, drink a little Ghost, and then get prepped for big old yoga studio.
Yeah, I'm excited to get back into an actual class. I loved doing them in Arizona, so I'm excited to do them. And today, me and Kina got a letter in the mail from our gym, and they were like, here's a free reformer class, Pilates reformer class. So I think we're gonna definitely do that sometime too. I've never done a Pilates reformer class. I've never done Pilates, period, mat or reformer. And I really want to try them, so I'm really excited. But yeah, we're about to do a little yoga. I am currently editing this video right now, and I realized I forgot to film an outro for it yesterday, so this is the outro right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have tutorial Tuesdays going up on Tuesdays, so be sure to check out the channel on Tuesdays. I would definitely stick around for this month's videos because we have some really fun things planned. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, beauties.